Today we're going to be forming a figure using pipe cleaners as the base for our sculpture. What you first want to do is take the longer piece of the pipe cleaner, put the two ends together so that you can kind of squeeze it in half a little bit. This is going to form the entire part of the body from the head to the feet, with the exception of the arms. The arms are going to be the shorter pipe cleaner. So the first thing you're going to do is decide where about you want to put your head, and you're just going to squeeze those two together kind of like an X and twist so the top becomes a loop. When you twist it, you're twisting it just like you twist the bread tie on the bag of bread. And then you're going to continue twisting your person until you're about halfway down. So from the neck to the feet, find about halfway, and that's where you're going to stop twisting. Make sure you keep twisting in the same direction, and make sure you twist both legs around each other, not just one leg around and around, because if you twist one leg, you end up with one shorter than the other. So twist both at the same time as you go. When they're about the same, you can measure with your fingers to see if they're about equal. When they're about the same, then you're going to have your person, your head, your body, and your legs. To attach the arms, you're going to place the arms where you want them on your figure. You don't want them all the way at the top by his head, because then you'll have no neck. You don't want it too low down, because then he's going to have a really long neck and a really short body. So just a little bit lower. And you're going to take one of the sides where the hand would be and just loop it all the way around really tight. And then you're going to do the same thing with the other one. It's important that you pull it really tight so that it's tight around the pipe cleaner and doesn't slide up and down. If you make it really loose around the pipe cleaner in the middle where the neck is, it's going to slide up and down, and then you'll have some problems. Now, if one arm appears to be a little too long, the arm should be a little shorter than the legs. Right now they're about the same, so I'm just going to twist it around one more time here to make it a little shorter, and I'm going to twist the other one around. If you end up with one arm that is longer than the other, you can always just fold the hand over and make it shorter on the end as well. Once we are done with that, we are going to be using tin foil to cover our figure and give them some shape, because right now they're very flat and we want them to have form, which is one of those art words that means that it has size all the way around, both length, width, and depth. And we're going to work on the depth of our person so he's not completely flat.